In this video, you'll learn how to use the Polybuzz AI app, a platform that lets you chat with over 20 million AI generated characters or create your own. Start by downloading Polybuzz from the Play Store, then launch the app, accept the terms, and enter your personal details for better recommendations. Sign in using your Google account or email. Once logged in, you can set up your profile, including your bio and profile picture. On the home screen, explore trending and editor picked AI characters, or go to the Chats tab to view your conversations. To create your own AI character, tap the plus icon, upload an image, choose a style, for example, anime, photography, assign a name, tags, background info, and select a voice type. Once generated, you can start chatting with your AI immediately. You can also earn or purchase coins to unlock features with daily rewards and tasks like creating characters or turning on notifications. Final verdict: Polybuzz is an immersive and customizable AI chat app that's easy to use, with fun features like character creation, trending bots, and gamified coin rewards. Do your own research.